Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole sauce for tacos. First, select 3 to 4 perfectly ripe avocados. These are the foundation of your delicious sauce. Next, gather your fresh ingredients: 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice, 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro, and 2 tablespoons of finely diced red onion. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. Now, let's get to the preparation. Halve and pit your ripe avocados, then scoop all the creamy flesh into a medium bowl. Using a fork, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. We're aiming for a nice chunky texture here. Next, carefully fold in the fresh lime juice, chopped cilantro, and diced red onion until everything is well combined. This is where you make it truly yours. Start by adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then taste and adjust as needed. If you enjoy a little heat, now is the time to incorporate 1 tablespoon of finely minced jalapeno. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring all the flavors meld together beautifully. Your perfect guacamole is now ready to be served with your favorite tacos. If you happen to have any leftover guacamole, store it in an airtight container. To keep it fresh and prevent browning, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface before sealing. This helps keep that vibrant green color. And hey, for other great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, make sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.